Almond oil benefits. The health powerhouse almond oil is derived from almond kernels and contains a wealth of micronutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. Because of its many health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory, immune-stimulating, and anti-hepatotoxic qualities, it has been utilized for years in complementary medicine. Aids weight loss. Almond oil is a good source of healthy fats and protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. This could potentially help you manage your weight. Gives a glow to the face. Almond oil nourishes the skin from the inside out, moisturizing and nourishing dry skin, while lowering inflammation and fostering a healthy complexion when used topically or taken internally. Sharpens the brain. Almond oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial to cognitive function and brain health. They may also lower the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Curbs hair fall. Essential fatty acids and vitamins included in almond oil promote hair growth and reduce hair loss when consumed. Also, applying it to the scalp stimulates hair follicles and encourages the growth of healthy hair by improving blood circulation. Strengthen bones. Almond oil contains calcium and magnesium, which are necessary nutrients that support bone density and strength and lower the risk of osteoporosis. Controls blood sugar. Almond oil is good for people who have diabetes or are at risk of getting the disease, since it can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Immune support. Vitamin E and polyphenols, two antioxidants found in almond oil, help strengthen the immune system and shield the body from illnesses and infections. Treats skin disease. Almond oil is beneficial for flaky scalp brought on by eczema and scalp psoriasis, as well as for treating both mild and severe forms of the condition. Stops inflammation. Almond oil has anti-inflammatory components that can help lessen bodily inflammation and ease the symptoms of inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Thanks for watching.